Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 gear knob. First, ensure your car is safely parked with the parking brake on. You'll need a trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver. Familiarize yourself with your specific Audi A4 model's gear knob mechanism, as slight variations exist. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free removal process, protecting your vehicle's interior components. Let's get started with the first step. Next, we'll detach the gear boot. Using your trim removal tool, gently pry up the base of the gear shift boot. Work slowly around the edges to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once the boot is loose, carefully check for and disconnect any electrical connectors, especially if your model has illuminated shift patterns or buttons. Then, lift the boot upwards, sliding it over the gear stick to reveal the knob's attachment point. Now, for the main event, removing the knob itself. Look closely at the base of the gear knob for a release clip or a small screw. Some models have a spring-loaded clip that needs to be pressed, while others might have a small torque screw. Once you've disengaged the mechanism, grip the knob firmly and pull it straight upwards. It might require a bit of force, but ensure you're pulling straight to avoid bending the shaft. After removing the knob, take a moment to inspect the gear shaft and the surrounding console area for any debris or damage. This is a good time to clean if needed. Ensure all clips and connectors are intact, whether you're reinstalling the old knob or fitting a new one. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your Audi A4 project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.